What is auto extrication? Auto extrication is the term used to describe the techniques, the tools, and the procedures we use to remove somebody who's entrapped in their vehicle who cannot exit the vehicle under the normal means. Most of the times when we're doing some sort of extrication activity, it's because there's an injured party inside the vehicle. Vehicles are designed to be very safe, but sometimes the way that the vehicle collapses around them or the forces of the accident causes an injured person to be unable to get out of the vehicle on their own. They're designed to crumple around the passenger compartment. So if you think of where we sit inside the car, we call that the passenger compartment.
Keep going, keep going.
There's a variety of different methods that car companies use these days. Some of them include using very high-strength steels. Some of them include crumple zones, airbags. All of those things make the car very safe. However, when there's a deformity to one of those components, it can make just opening up the door, as simple as that may seem, very difficult. West Metro uses a lot of different tools to perform auto extrication. The most standard set and kind of our go-to set are hydraulic tools. What most people know as the jaws of life, we call the spreaders. They're basically a hydraulic tool that spreads a car, just like their name says. We also use cutters, which shear the car, cut the car in different ways. There's combination tools, which will do both spread and cut. And we have hydraulic rams. That kind of makes up the hydraulic component of what we have.
Fantastic.
Other tools that we use, the Halligan is been a standard in the fire department for a long time. We'll use the Halligan to create what we call purchase points. Cars these days are very streamlined, so we may need to open up a little gap so that our tools can get in and use those. So we will use hand tools from time to time. We also use the reciprocating saw is a pretty big go-to for us. There's a wide variety of other tools that we use, but those are pretty much our standard go-tos. So whenever you cut a car or spread a door or remove a roof, you're going to alter how the car is stabilized. Depending on how the car is, we use the struts, we call them our vehicle stabilization kit. We use them to stabilize the car for both our safety and our patient's safety. So for example, a car on its side, we'll use the struts to pin the car and make sure it's not going to move. It can also hold a load up in the air. So if a car is on the roof and we need to remove the roof, we can hold the car up so that we can take the roof off so that we can gain access to our patients. We definitely have to keep up on all the newest trends. All the different manufacturers have different ways that they keep their cars safe. So we definitely have to keep our training up. What method used to work on a car from the 1980s is not going to work in the 2000s. Every second that we can't get into that car is detrimental to that patient. So this is a skill that we need to be very efficient at. We need to know what we're doing. So training on it is something that we do quite frequently around here.